Hey everyone, so how are you all? Hope you have been doing very great. So, welcome to this channel, and my name is Swamprabha Sahu. So, आज हम लोग पढ़ने वाले हैं पाइथन फंडामेंटल्स। सिर्फ पढ़ाई नहीं, कुछ फन वे में हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं। So, it is completely beginner friendly and with a very real life examples, we will see and learn in a very fun way. So let's start. So पहले मुझे आप बताइए, so please comment it down like Python क्या है, because everyone is learning Python. I have been going to schools. I have been communicating with small children, small Zen Alpha, Zen Beta, and everybody else out there. So, what everyone is talking about AI, AI. What is AI? Everywhere we are listening AI. Yes, थोड़ा मतलब confusion से create हो ही रहा है. पर AI क्या है? AI is not about writing prompt or it will just create, or you will just say please write an email or do something this, create an image. Okay, वो तो बेसिक चीज़ें हैं जो AI डे टू डे लाइफ में हम लोग का हेल्प कर रहा है. So before that, before coming to AI, before learning what exactly AI is, we need to learn this Python. So let's have 10 lesson on this roadmap where we will be working like why Python, then variables and type, strings, list, tuples, sets, dictionary, conditionals, loops, and we will building a very small and very interesting mini project. So let's talk about what is Python and why it is everywhere. So even if I know most people have been working with Python since very long, and I'm just trying my best to give some knowledge and also in a very um, a fun way. Let's learn not by giving knowledge, but rather we can use the word sharing the knowledge. You know many things that I don't know, and I know many things that you don't know. Maybe we are not exactly in the same field. So let's start what I have learned. So let me explain this. Python is a programming language famous for reading almost like a plain English. Yes, we write less and do more. So here, why we use it everywhere? Because it is having very clean syntax. It is very like it is focused only logics, not punctuation. It has huge libraries that is like ready mode of tools for almost any task we can say, and it is used in web, data, AI, automation, scripting, like one language and many tools. So after coming to this, we need to learn first writing some code. So the three things like you must learn to do right away: print output, leave the comment for yourself, and run the file. What is that? Print. What do you mean by print? Print is a function. It is a user defined function. Shows the text on the screen, your program's voice, you can say. And that quotes, what is that quotes? That is comment. A note for humans. Python's happily ignores it. Okay. Now coming to run. Why we will run it? Press play and watch your words appears instantly. For example, name Swayam Prava. It is in the double quotes, right? Why it is in double quotes? We will be learning this in the next video. Print hello world, print welcome to Python, comma name. And what we just did, print let's learn together. And what is our output? Hello world, welcome to Python, Swayam. So let me just come to this, like how Python actually runs your code. Because Python is an interpreter. It reads your file from top and does exactly what each line say, one at a time. Yes, it is very important to learn what is one at a time. First, you need to type instruction in plain Python. You have to write. Second, you have to read. Third, you have to execute. Fourth is the output. Obviously, it is nothing but giving the input and expecting the output, right? So what it matters? Now Python runs line by line and error message points to the exact line. So like the bugs are easy to find and fix it. So coming here, we will be sharing this. Let's come to our Visual Code. Here, I have just written this. Print hello world. Let's run and see. Is it printing hello world or not? Our first Python. So, uh, for any programming language, we introduce and we write print hello world. So let's see. Yes, it is executing hello world. Let me show you the live. Okay, fine. Let's tell me anything like print in a quotes, um, anything like 2026, or you can say AI is becoming more advanced every day. Okay, fine. Let's run it, right? So let's see, guys, how fun, how easy, and how realistic it is. Yes, we just saw this output. AI is becoming more advanced every day. See, guys, this is not that I have learned Python or I have done this work. Not yet. I'm not the person who can teach you, but I'm the person where we can interact more and we can learn and we can execute, and also we can follow our passion with the work. So thank you all, and please comment down. There is a comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you have really enjoyed this. I hope I will be bringing most funny way and the best way so that we all will learn at a time. And yes, 2026 is the AI era and we need to work on ourselves. Thank you so much.